was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. Oh my, I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older.
Hello guys, welcome back to another whole house clean, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am just going from room to room, freshening everything up and getting it nice and tidy. I'm just whizzing round and doing as much as possible because I have started a little bit later on this day. If you've been here before, you know that I like to start first thing in the morning, but it's actually around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's definitely a later one today, so I want to just whiz round and get as much done as possible. So if you have some chores that you need to do, grab your to-do list and clean with me today. I really hope that you find the motivation that you came looking for. Do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I wanted to start off in the bedroom because I know that if I started downstairs I probably wouldn't venture upstairs, as I have started a little bit late today. So I wanted to get the bedroom done first of all. So I just quickly made the bed because I love going to bed when it's nice and made. It's just a lot more cozy to me, so I wanted to get that done first and then just sort out any washing and take out any cups and glasses and stuff and just make the room nice and cozy ready for this evening. And then I could head straight through into the bathroom because I know if I didn't do this now it just wouldn't get done because I have left it a little bit late. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it all over. This isn't having a deep clean today. I'm just gonna go in and wipe down the shelf, the sink, the toilet, and also doing the floor, but just giving it like a quick once over just to make sure that it's nice and fresh before we can then head downstairs and tackle everything else. So I really hope that you guys are doing well today. I love just chatting to you through the voiceovers. I'm always just here with a coffee when I do them and I feel like I'm literally just talking to you. So it's so much fun doing them. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you've been up to lately. I would love to know if you've got any summer plans or anything like that. Just let me know because yeah, I just love to know what you're all up to. And I am a little bit covered in paint today. I say covered, I'm not covered in paint, but I do have paint on me. And that is because I am filming 2 videos today. That's why this one is being filmed a little bit later on, because I'm filming for my flipping DIY channel as well today. So it's definitely been a busy one trying to get 2 videos in one day, but it's been so much fun as well. So I really hope that some of you do join me over there if you are interested in furniture flips and that type of thing. I will be trying to get a video up a week on that channel, but obviously this channel is my baby. This is my priority, so I'm always going to put this channel first and these videos first. And yeah, because all of your support on this channel has absolutely blown me away, and the only way I can really say thank you is to produce good quality videos for you guys that I really hope that you enjoy. So I'm not going to take anything away from this channel, it's going to stay exactly the same, but my flipping DIY channel is just more of a hobby and something I want to do on the side. So if you are interested in that type of thing, I'm going to always have the link to that channel down in the description box, so I hope that some of you do join me over there. But before I can even think about doing any more furniture flips, I really need to get this house sorted, because you saw how dirty the bathroom floor was and how dusty this bedroom is. I think it's been probably over a week since I've actually dusted and hoovered in here, so it really desperately needed doing. So I'm just going to go round and wipe down all of the surfaces with my Pledge and just dust everything off, give it a good hoover and get it nice and fresh.
mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you.
So it isn't too bad down here. Like I said, it is later on in the day, so I did have a quick pickup this morning because I can't live in mess. Like, it has to be tidy. So I did have a quick pickup earlier, but as you can see, there's just bits of cardboard and bunny toys like all over the floor, and yeah, it just needs freshening up. It's looking a little bit disheveled. So even though I did a quick pickup, it definitely needs a bigger clean. So I'm going to be going in and hoovering and dusting and just getting it nice and fresh, because a quick pickup just won't do it today, because there are literally bits all over the carpet. So I'm just going to put everything back where it belongs so I can go in and give it a good hoover.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things
Okay, so it was now time to head through into the kitchen, and like I said, it's a little bit later on in the day. I think it's gone 5 now, so dinner's in the oven, so I'm definitely not going to be doing a deep clean in the kitchen today. Luckily I did all of the washing up earlier, so all I need to do is pop that away and just wipe down the sides and get it nice and fresh for when I dish up dinner. But yeah, I didn't want to have to clean it twice, so I'm definitely not going to go in and do all of the cupboards and everything, because I can just do that once I've had dinner on the second clean of the day. But let me know down in the comments how many times a day you clean your kitchen.
I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am.
Thank you so much for watching today's video and hanging out with me today. I really love doing these videos, and I really hope that you enjoy watching them. Don't forget to subscribe if you do, for lots more motivation, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.